Welcome back, Airkewld Army. It's your friend Pete, going over centering a caliper on a rear rotor and the shims and how you get it from us to make the job easy. It's really quite simple. It is not rocket science, but we're going to make it as easy as 1, 2, 3. So in your kit, you're going to get this little hardware pack. It comes with the eBrake cable ends, the 4 caliper bolts, the different thickness of spacers, your wave washer, and some Loctite. We'll be putting the eBrake caliper onto our chassis here that we got going on. And we have an overhead cam to show us different views, what's going on here. Just wanted to kind of get into it, and you're only going to need an impact driver. I'm going to use this instead of opening one of those packs. Same stuff. Made by the same company. Take your bolts, you put a wave washer over the top of it. Put your bolt in, take what you think would be a good spacer, put it in there. Slide your caliper over it, and you start your bolt. Do the same thing here. Washer goes over the top. Slide the washer up, or the spacer up. So we're going to put the cables in right there. Got a plug in it, but we're going to blow it out because we don't want to put the cable in with a bunch of sand and then we're going to fill it with grease. Cleaned out, hook it into copper mount here into the hook. What's up, guys? We're going to talk about brake lines today and e-brake cables on the rear end of a swing axle application, and how we're going to set up the billet cable clamp on the tube. And let's show you what we're doing here. We have the e-brake cable here going through the airbag mount, and we have a clamp that clamps this along with a stainless steel brake line. So we're going to show the steps of how we clamp it here, how do we protect the tube. Then we're going to measure the distance so that each side is done the same way. And I bumped it, bink, bink. On our brake lines, they're made up of 3 pieces: the banjo end, the standard factory end, and the cable itself, the line. And it is sealed to the caliper with these copper crush washers, and one goes on it like that, and the banjo like that, and then the other washer onto the body of the caliper. And we tighten those up nice. You don't want to go in He-Man style, but you definitely want to go tighten it nicely. And we're going to show how to do that on the back here of the chassis. Connecting it right here to this plug right here. This bracket going into the factory mount and securing it with the factory C-clip.